Hello, hello, hello! Hello everyone! Today we have the review of the Apple AirTag. The AirTag is an Apple device that we can locate anything from the Find My app on our iPhone. In other words, we can put it on our keys, put it in a backpack, in our wallet, or even carry it around on a bracelet or a pendant, and that way it's always located. As for the battery, it uses a CR2032 model button cell that provides an approximate autonomy of up to 1 year. When the battery starts to run out, the iPhone will inform us, and we just need to buy another battery of the same model and change it easily. Starting from the iPhone 11 onwards, the AirTag search becomes a precision search. So in these cases, by getting close enough to it, we'll be able to see exactly how many meters away we are and in which direction we should move. The AirTag also has a small speaker that we can activate directly from our iPhone, which emits a detectable sound at short distances. So if we are in a room and, for example, don't know where we've put our keys or wallet, it's a quick way to determine. In case we are a noticeably long distance from the device, imagine, for example, that we've lost our wallet or keys at a shopping mall and are already at home. Then even in that case it's no problem, because the AirTag utilizes the Bluetooth system of all the iPhones around it until the position pings from one to another reach us. It's supremely important to note that all this information, for starters, is fully encrypted, and secondly, it's entirely anonymous. Only you will know where your AirTag is. Moreover, it doesn't store any data or location history. You can put the AirTag in lost mode from the Find My app on your iPhone. People with iPhones around the device will receive a message that there's a lost AirTag and our details will be shown so they can reach us. If someone finds our AirTag, they just need to bring it near any iPhone to see who it belongs to and return it. Of course, everything I just said will depend on each individual's willingness to help. If we want, we can also share our AirTag's location with up to 5 different users. That way, those 5 people could also know our AirTag's position. The device is waterproof and dustproof with IP67 certification, allowing us to submerge it up to 1 meter for up to half an hour. Lastly, as for the price, it is available for approximately 30 to 40 euros, depending somewhat on the store we purchase it from and the current offer. It's important to note that we can also find packs of up to 4 AirTags together. Alright guys, once we've gone over the basic features, let's quickly move on to the unboxing. Guys, about the contents of the box, like I said before, it's super quick. We simply have the usual papers including warranty and safety guide, and on the other side we're going to find this little cardboard box which, if we open, as you can see, inside we already have the AirTag along with quick start instructions. So guys, after this quick unboxing, we should look at the AirTag in detail. The device only weighs 12 grams, and in terms of measurements, it is 3 centimeters in diameter and approximately 6 millimeters thick. As you can see, though it still has protective plastic on, we can observe that the bottom is made of white plastic and over it is the silver metal plate with the Apple symbol. So having seen the device physically, let's connect it to the iPhone. Before we start with the pairing and setup of our AirTag, it's super important that you verify your iPhone is updated to the latest version. Once you've verified this, you just need it turned on, and make sure you also have Bluetooth turned on. Once you have these 2 things prepared, we simply have to go to our AirTag and start removing the protective plastics. You begin to pull the tabs, pull the first one, then we pull the second and the last one. As you can see, you just stretch it outward for the battery to start working. Once you remove the plastic, we're going to leave the AirTag next to our iPhone. And as you can notice, without us doing anything, the iPhone detects it. Now we simply follow the steps. We'll tap where it says connect. In the next step, we need to give the AirTag a name. As you can see, we have quite a few by default. We have custom name. Now, for example, I don't know, let's call it custom name, continue. First, as you can see, it asks us for the iPhone's location. We're going to give it use on this iPhone. And now we can give the AirTag a name. In this case, I didn't overthink it. I've named it AirTag, and we're going to click continue. Now as you see, we can also add an emoji. I don't know, let's add the laughing one. Continue. On the next screen, they give us some pretty important information. First off, we're told that the AirTag will always be linked to our Apple ID. Second, we're told that the device is only intended for tracking objects. Using the AirTag to track someone without their consent is a crime in many parts of the world. Clearly, we can't put an AirTag on a person without their consent. Once you're clear on this, then we can click I accept. As you can see, it now tells us that it's connecting. Let's wait a bit. And there it is. As you can see, the AirTag has been connected, and it already gives us different options. We have the precision search. We can play a sound or share our AirTag. Once we have the AirTag perfectly connected, as you have seen, to access its location, we will only have to enter the Find application on our iPhone and go down to the Objects section, where, as you will see, the AirTag appears, and right now it is at home. If we click on it, as you can see, different options appear. We can play a sound. Let's check it out. It's a very faint sound. We can also perform the precision search, Find Nearby. This opens up the precision search for us and tells us that it's here, that we are with it, okay? As you can see, it detects it directly and tells us that the AirTag is already here. You can also share the AirTag with up to 5 different users, as I said before. You can customize notifications, activate lost mode, or if you want, rename or delete the AirTag. Well guys, here ends the review of the Apple AirTag device. As always, if this video has been useful, don't forget to give me a good like. It's super important, as well as subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a thing. From me, that's all. As always, it's been a pleasure, and see you in the next video.